डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर 5 कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर लेक्चर 2। आज का टॉपिक है अलजेब्रा ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स। फर्स्ट, एडिशन ऑफ टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स। लेट z1 इक्वल टू a plus ib, z2 इक्वल टू x plus iy be any two complex numbers. Then z1 plus z2 is equal to a plus ib plus x plus iy. We add a plus x plus ib plus y. So for addition we add real part real part of z1 and z2, and we adding imaginary part of z1 and imaginary part of z2. Let z1 equal to 2 plus 3i, z2 equal to minus 6 plus 3i. Then z1 plus z2 equal to 2 plus 3i plus minus 6 plus 3i. Then we add real part, real part, and imaginary part and imaginary part. Here real part is 2 and here minus 6. So we operate 2 minus 6 plus iota. We add imaginary part and imaginary part. There is 3i, also 3i, so we get 3 plus 3. And hence z1 plus z2 we get minus 4 plus 6i. Second operation is difference of two complex numbers. If z1 equal to a plus ib, z2 equal to x plus iy, then z1 minus z2 equal to a plus ib minus x plus iy. Similarly, we subtract real part and imaginary part. So real part x, imaginary part b. Here real part x, imaginary part y. So we subtract real part and real part, also imaginary part and imaginary part. Next, multiplication of two complex numbers. Let z1 equal to a plus ib, z2 equal to c plus id, z1 z2 equal to a plus ib into c plus id. We multiply as a usual of multiply a with second bracket, that is a into c plus id plus ib into second bracket c plus id. We multiply a into c, a into d, ib into c, ib into id. Also use I square is minus 1, and we add or subtract real part, real part, and imaginary part, and imaginary part. That is, we adding ADI plus BCI. Example, if Z1 equal to 3 plus 5i, Z2 equal to 2 plus 6i, then Z2 into Z1 into Z2, it is 3 plus 5i into 2 plus 6i. We multiply as a usual, first into second bracket plus second element into second bracket. So 3 into 2 plus 6i plus 5i plus 5i plus 2 plus 6i. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 6 is 18. Also I. 5i into 2 is 10i. 5 into 6 is 30. And I into I, that is I square, and their value is minus 1. After simplify, we get minus 24 plus 28 I. Next is division of two complex numbers. Let z1 z2 be any complex numbers where z2 is not equal to 0. Then z1 into z2, z1 by z2, this is equal to z1 into 1 by z2, where 1 by z2, 1 by z2 is the multiplicative inverse of z2. It is defined, it is defined multiplicative inverse. Let z equal to a plus ib, then multiplicative inverse, that is z to power minus 1 is 1 upon z, that is 1 by a plus ib. Rationalize, we get 1 by z equal to 1 by a plus ib into a minus ib divided by a minus ib. We get 1 by z equal to a minus ib divided by a square plus b square. If z equal to 4 minus 3i, find multiplicative inverse. Z to power minus 1, this is equal to 1 by z equal to 1 by 4 minus 3i. Rationalize 1 by 4i, 1 by 4 minus 3i into 4 plus 3i divided by 4 plus 3i. We get 4 plus 3i by 4 square plus 3 square. After simplify, we get 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25 iota. Next operation, next is comparison. z1 equal to z2 if z1 z2 are two equals complex number. First, z1 equal to a plus ib, z2 equal to x plus iy. If z1 equal to z2, then a plus ib is equal to x minus x plus iy. If both are equal, then if and only if a equal to x, b equal to y. That is, real and real parts are equal and imaginary parts are equals. If 4 plus if 4x plus I bracket 3x minus y equal to 3 plus minus 6 iota, then find x and y. Since real and real parts are equal, also imaginary parts are equal. Then after simplify we get x equal to 3 by 4 and y equal to 33 by 4.